Kalau nggak kayak besngotenat banyu bakat Thoh katar kajat merikuasi kerana kiu kat manang mi gisngi. Kini kalau nggak jeng pelaj ba mentakas ngi ya kakot kabel ai kerteng History of Northeast India, New Research and Perspectives. Balalom bat Thoh daw Dr. Rusivian Champliang, uwe ni kai history jeng Synod College. Ia kini kakot na pelaj ka conference ka basapu ar jeng Northeast India History Association kabel sang na duk menen kasngi hapo Assam University Difu campus. Kini ketika sin ke baar bawa Dr. Champliang on Thoh by Pynmih kon kemenkong katai kakot History of the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Northeast India. Kini ke conference kadai ka jelang ka balais ni jong historians na keleng ki jaka jong Northeast India bat kamjur ke mana syabar. Iba kentop yo Professor David R. Simley, Professor J.B. Bhattacharjee, Professor Amina N. Pasak bat ki kui dia kebenar kat leng hakani ke conference.
With the expectation of a substantial number of unexpected, unregistered, that is why unexpected, participants yet to come. While we people tightened our belts and started brainstorming where to hold this mega event, where to launch our VIP historians, including the former Vice Chancellor,
Assam University, your research scholars, your students, the teachers from the other faculties who put in your might towards making this event a success. And of course, my beloved NIHA members, all of you are welcome to this session. So I take this opportunity of associating myself with the organizing committee of the Department of History, Difu Campus, Assam University, and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, who has very generously sponsored this event also, to welcome you to the 42nd session of the Northeast India History Conference here at Difu Campus. Now, Northeast India History Association, which is lovingly called NIHA, is a voluntary organization of historians and researchers, and this was founded as early as...
Ia kini ke conference la pensyit pensyengan du da kajing syat bajing rot merai na kejat beduk karbi ke besyong ke basa apa difu. Kini ke kot kabla Pynmih daw Dr. Champliang kadi ke kot jinglum kerpang ya ke arputi ke jingwat beniak. Na ginong Thoh na barok ke Jylla budon ke thanj tay lam mingi jong kari India. Kini ginong Thoh gila air ke jong jing Thoh akan ke timba pe beper na ka historiography, environment history, contemporary history, military history, traditional healing system, traditional culture, print history, women history, but kiwe day. Ia ka cover jang ka kot la design la ne la penuan hi daw nok Thoh ba la shim da ka dor jong ka jingbis ni ya ka shnong nong jrong East Castle District, mala chan daw ba Mission World Rangtong.